The ISerror formula is used to examine whether a cell has returned an error message or not. If the cell that is being tested has returned an error, the value returned will be true. If the cell that is tested that does not return an error, the value that returned will be false. There's simply one parameter within the ISerror formula, and that is the value, and that is simply the cell that you want tested. So let's look at an example here. If I open my ISerror formula and then I select the cell that I want to test, and for the first row here it'll return as false because that message has not returned an error. I drag that down and we can see here it'll return a true value for all of these cells that have returned in the various types of errors you can get.